this episode.
It's like we didn't have enough BMW.
We almost finished our white BMW.
Today we came to Copart and we will pick up the car.
And also, we said goodbye to a red BMW. One of the young guys got it as his first car. I wish I had that car as my first car.
We drove to the bank because we sold our red BMWs. Unfortunately, I didn't make video about these red BMWs. We took the engine off and completely rebuilt. After that, we wrapped the car in a beautiful red color. We cleaned interior and then we painted damaged seat. I didn't make video about it, but I make beautiful photos. Our right BMW had problem with the engine. We had check engine light and we connected the computer to check the problem. The computer showed us that we have problem with Valvetronic. The N55 engine usually have problem with Valvetronic valve and Valvetronic motor. In the most cases you have to replace the Valvetronic motor and Valvetronic valve, but in our case we only have to memorize the Valvetronic motor position. Also we have problem with electric steering rack. This car has electric power steering rack and it doesn't work properly. To fix this problem we have to buy a used steering rack, because new one costs half price of the car. Also we fixed left headlight, because after accident it was completely smashed. We bought left headlight only for $600. We bought front bumper and paid it in white. After all, it's time to polish our white BMW. Polishing our BMW is shiny. Also, we recharge AC system. Actually, you can recharge the AC system at home. We bought vacuum compressor to do the vacuum test. We bought special hoses to AC system. We bought special manometer. Then we went to local shop. We connected all hoses to the system and did the vacuum test. The test showed us that we don't have vacuum leak. And then we went to local shop and bought these cans. All information regarding recharge you can find under the hood. In our case we needed 850 mg, or in American 1.8 lbs. This sticker is in two languages and you easy read it and find out how much do you need. Also you can find information regarding recharge. In our case this is R134A.
Hi guys, today we came to Copart. We went to Copart and we will pick up the car. This is BMW 740i 2017 and we'll see how it will look. This is the Copart, Antelope, California. Actually we don't know how soon we will get the car. We rented the U-Haul and the truck, and we will now load the car on the trailer. Guys, this is our car, and let's see this it wasn't, but okay, it's possible to polish. Okay, the next side also look, it is possible to polish. Yeah, the mirror is broken unfortunately. Turn light is also broken. That's the radiator probably is fine. It's fine. No, it isn't fine. We have to replace both radiators. It's only the glass is broken. Yeah, that's good. The front bumper is possible to fix. Yeah, the sensor is there. That's okay. That's good. The second sensor also is on the place. That's clear coat is go out, and it's possible to fix it. Yeah, the rims are okay. The very good thing is I thought this area was bent, but it is okay. Also here any damage, we have to only to replace rear reinforcement, and that's it. very good car actually. 37,000 miles. Isn't it big? This area also, yeah, it's possible to fix. It costs 300. Yeah. Okay guys, we are ready to go. The car's on a trailer. Let's see how it's look outside. Yeah.
Now, this is 2017 BMW 740i.
How do you like your new car?
The car is amazing actually. Look at this, how it looks beautiful.
Yeah. Wow, the interior is so beautiful. Look at the leather.
Yeah, in very good shape.
In very good shape. Somebody was really taking good care of this car.
Okay.
Now it's time to begin our project. I don't know how it happened, but someone tore the rear reinforcement and the rear bumper. We bought rear reinforcement and we decided to save our rear bumper. At the bottom of the bumper we have big crack. Then we bought special welding rods to weld our crack, and we use heat gun to weld rods to the bumper. For the heat gun you have to use small nose to hit just area where are you welding the rods. We put our bumper on the car and it looks good, but as you can see, the bumper has a lot of scratches, and these scratches came not from accident. Later we will sand the scratches and paint the bumper in original color. The front side of the car is worse, because car was hit in the front. To find out the damage we have to take off the bumper, the headlights and the reinforcement. After taking the bumper off, we found that upper and lower reinforcement is bent. Two radiators also are bent, and unfortunately the fan. This front side has a lot of small pieces. All of them are broken and most of them cost $50 each. I think all this damage will cost about $5,000. Thank you guys for watching. In the next video I will show you how to replace the headlight cover on this expensive headlight.